Tired of using normal sponges? Of course you are. They're confusing. They slip, they slide, they ruin your day in seconds. Nobody knows how to use them and they kill nearly 13 people every week. If only there were an easier solution. Hi, I'm Lance Bass, former NSYNC member, and I'm proud to introduce the new Jesus Christ sponge, the only sponge that'll make you cry, Jesus Christ, that's neat. You'll be able to wipe around things like a damn pro. Wipe your car, wipe your boat, wipe your RV, wipe your other boat. That's not tomato juice. Cut it in half and stuff it down your pants. Wipe your feet and stick it down your friend's pants. Wipe your dog, then do the dishes. Frat boy drool? No problem. Here's a tip. Roll up your sweater, wipe off your arm dandruff, and unroll your sweater. Wipe off your friend's monitor. Wipe a picture. Wipe your TV. Wipe a cathedral. Wipe your creepy friend and dry those tears. Oh no, party foul. No, I'm just kidding. I'm doing this on purpose. Ever spilled dark cola on carpet? It's impossible to get out. Yuck, look at that mess. But now with the Jesus Christ sponge, you can dab it out in no time. Put it on the left side and punch it out like your frustrations. Mr. Bass, you can't go to outer space because for technicality, fuck you, NASA. Take it out and the stain's gone. Whoops. Let's cut to some paid testimonials. It's better than sex!
All the single ladies, all the single ladies. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty goddamn impressed by this sponge. It's awesome.
We're marrying for money.
Wow.